Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body's design here. And this is a all 2D geometry. You can see here easily and clearly. And this is a 3D modeling is okay. This is the 3D modeling is design here, and this is isometric view and all dimension in millimeter. And this is a 2D geometry. Okay, this is a front view, and this is a top view, and this is a detail view, and this is a section view. All point is you can see here. And okay, all point you can see here easily. And all point is used, then this body is designed here easily and clearly. Okay, let's start here. One by one is design here. Okay, at first select a plane is a right plane is very easily drawing here, right plane. And at first drawing this is a 3 millimeter, and this is a 2 this is a 300 millimeter, and also this is a 200 millimeter is okay. Select a line is a drawing here. This is a this and select a this is a correct okay. And select this and this is a this this is a and mention any dimension is a this is a 300 millimeter, and 300 millimeter, and then this is a 200 millimeter. This is a perfect and correct. And again select this is a fillet is used here, and 75 radius. And select a sketch fillet, and a sketch fillet is a and 75 is better. This is a perfect. All is black color means this is a fully defined, and all is a perfect. But this is a exit, and again select a top plane, sketch and normal, and then draw a circle is drawing here. And this is a circle is diameter is a this circle diameter is a this is a correct and circle diameter is a 100. This is a 100 is perfect. But mention here and mention this is a 100 is correct. This is a perfect and exit. And select use a swept boss base command is used, and automatic select a profile sketch, and then path is a select here, and then this is a correct. But this is a use a thin feature. And mention here a 10 millimeter, and use a direction is this is a downward. This is a perfect. And this is a correct. This is a perfect. This is outside and this is a inside, but this body is a this is a perfect and inside is a also this is a correct. This is a perfect. And some plain white and use a some point. Okay, this is very high, and okay, this is a correct. Okay, and next point is a drawing here. This is a perfect, and drawing a two circle. One circle is 230 millimeter, and then second circle is not mentioned here, but 190 millimeter is correct, and then four circle is drawing here. This is a 20 millimeter is correct. Okay, and select this and sketch. Okay, select this and sketch a normal and draw a circle. Circle is a this, and draw a two circle. Okay, mention dimension. This is a 190. This is a 230 millimeter is correct, and select a 190. Okay, but 190 millimeter is a select this is a construction geometry. Some use point is discussed here, and okay, this point is drawing a circle, and this diameter is a okay, this is a 20 millimeter is correct. And again select a pattern is circular pattern, and use this and select a point. Point is this. Okay, all is perfect, and okay, this is a correct. And select a extrude boss, and this thickness is a this is a 20 millimeter, and all is perfect, and 20 millimeter is thickness is correct, and 20 millimeter, and all is perfect, but this is the direction is inside inward. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, but this is a close, and one point is very very important, and this is a and edit sketch, and this inner okay, convert entities, and then use a exit, and then open. Okay, this is a perfect, and next is a this sketch and normal. Okay, and draw any center rectangle. Center rectangle is correct. Okay, and this mention diameter, this dimension is a this 200 millimeter, and this is a 300 millimeter is correct. Okay, and mention this is a 200 millimeter, and again select a this is a 200 millimeter is correct, and again select a circle. Circle is a drawing here. This is a first, second. Okay, and again select a okay, third and fourth. Okay, okay, but 4 circle is equal. Okay, this is a 4 is equal, and relation is a this is a horizontal. Okay, and press a control button, then first is selected, and press a control button, then other is this. Okay, this is a horizontal, and first press a control button, and then second. Okay, this is a vertical, and this is a and same horizontal, and again same. First point select and press a control button, and then this. Okay, this is a vertical. Okay, and mention any dimension is clear. You can see here this is a two distance is 160, and this distance is 20, and again this distance is 160, and this is a 20 means, and again this is a 20. and one is select here, this is a 20. Okay, and this point and this point is distance is a 160. Okay, and this distance is a 20. Okay, and again select a, this 2 point distance is a 160. Okay, all is looking perfect and correct. Okay, this is all is black color, and all is this point, and this point is also 20 but not mentioned here. Okay, all is a black color, means this is a fully defined. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, okay, exit and use a extrude boss, and also this is a thickness is a 20, and okay, all is looking perfect. This is a thickness is a 20, and this is a downward, and okay, this is a perfect. But again select a, use a edit a sketch, and this inner edge point is selector and convert entities, and then use a, okay, this is a perfect. But one point, then some use a fillet. Fillet is a 20 millimeter, and select a 20. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. This is a 20 millimeter is fillet. Okay, and one point is select here, and then all other is 4 point is select here, and this is a 20. Okay, okay, this is a perfect, and use a constant size fillet, and all is a correct. Okay, okay, and again one point is discuss here. Last point is a select a, this is a correct. And use a 80 millimeter dia, and this is a 145 millimeter is Phillips side. Okay, and select a plane is a, this is a, okay, front plane, this is a top plane, and right plane is a, okay, top plane, and select a front plane. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, one point is a, and select a, okay, this is a right plane, and use a, okay, and select this is a top, and use a, this is a plane is created here. Okay, and some point is a discuss here. Okay, and then use a, and then this plane is sketch normal. Okay, and drawing a circle is a this. Okay, and this is a 80 millimeter and 145. Okay, and correct. And this distance is a, 2, this distance is a, okay, this point is 85, and this is a 200. Correct, and this is a 80. Okay, and this distance is a 200 is, okay, 200 is a perfect. but 85 is correct. Okay, and next point is okay, and again select and plane is edit some plane sketch. Okay, okay, this is a perfect. And next, and this is a colorful. Okay, and select a cartoon is apply here, and this is a correct. And this, and again select a this. Okay, and color is a okay. Okay, okay, all point is very nice looking here, and this is a correct. And some fillet is used here. This is a use a chamfer is a this and use a 10. Okay, this is a perfect, and this also is this. Okay, okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and isometric is also this is a perfect. And isometric is okay. Okay, and next lecture is coming soon. Okay, guys guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.